Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to Sane Crochet. In this video we are going to see the detailed explanation about tapestry crochet. There are many techniques used in crochet. In that, tapestry crochet is also one type of technique used in crochet. What is tapestry crochet? What kind of hook and yarn used in tapestry crochet? How you want to design the tapestry crochet? Everything we are going to see in this video. Tapestry crochet is very simple and beautiful technique used in crochet. Before going into the video, if you think I'm explaining very slowly, you can change the speed of the video in the setting. Come, let's start our video. Tapestry crochet is nothing but changing multiple color of yarn in the same time. At the same time, we will use multiple colors of yarn. In crochet, generally, we work with one color yarn. After completing that, we will change into another color. But in tapestry crochet, at a time, we will work with several colors of yarn. In tapestry crochet, we will handle many colors of yarn at the same time. We are going to change the color of yarn at the same time to create a beautiful pattern. In short form, we are going to create a beautiful fabric at the end with the simple single crochet stitches with the several color of yarn at the same time. For the beginners, it will be a little tricky to handle several yarn at the same time. If you practice, it will be easy for you and you can create a beautiful pattern. Two types of instructions will be available. One is written instruction, same as crochet pattern. This much of stitches will come on the row. This much of stitches come in this next row. Like the simple instruction, same like a crochet pattern. Another form is a chart instruction. Chart or a graph instruction meant to design a pattern or any other animation or any other geographical pattern. Anything we can design in this grid sheet. Your imagination. We can design as a geometrical form. We can design some alphabets, or we can design any animation or any words, any letters. Anything we can design in the chart. Or else already designed pattern also available in Google or Pinterest. You can download that and you can work on that. Now we will see how to read this grid or chart of the tapestry crochet. In this grid sheet, every single square is equal to 1 stitches. One square is indicated as the 1 stitch and every square is equal 1 stitches. Calculate the numbers of square given in this grid sheet and do your stitches. Color on the chart represent the color work. If you are working on the row, you have to read this chart from right side to left side and left side to right side. Like that, vice versa, we have to read. If you are working in round, read the chart from right side to left side. This chart is easier to work. It is same as a crossed stitch embroidery. You have to change the color in the colored square, but you should not cut the yarn. You have to carry the yarn all over your work. Wherever the color is changed, you have to change the color of your yarn and you have to carry the another color yarn with yourself in the backward. Now we'll see the don'ts and do's of tapestry crochet. If you're new to this crochet, use thick yarn and large size hook. Don't use fluffy yarn because you can't able to see the design of your pattern. Don't use loose hook. Use the correct size hook of the yarn. Maintain your tension. Don't crochet very loosely because you can't able to see your design and can able to change the color. Beware of your size of the hook. You have to match the yarn size and maintain your tension throughout your pattern. If you not get the right tension, try to change hook to a small size or a large size. In tapestry crochet, we will not see any yarn tail float on the wrong side because we will carry all the other color yarn with ourselves throughout the design. Because of that, we can't able to see yarn tail floating on our wrong side. Look at this picture. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. We can't able to see any kind of yarn tail here. Tapestry crochet is very beautiful crochet technique. In our next video, we will see how to crochet a hot pot holder by the help of this tapestry crochet technique. Don't miss that video. For that, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. I hope I explained this video very nicely. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of doubt, if you want to know anything regarding this tapestry crochet, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.